Start para. The present application is filed by the applicant for grant of bail under section 483 of the BNSS in bracket under section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure bracket close in respect of crime number 639/2022 registered at Police Station Nagpur for the offences punishable under sections 363, 369, 370 and 120B read with 34 of the Indian Penal Code and under sections 75, 81 and 84 of the Juvenile Justice in bracket Care and Protection of Children bracket close Act, 2015 full stop. The applicant came to be arrested on 11/11/2022 full stop. The crime is registered on the basis of a report lodged by one Rajkumari alleging that on 10/11/2022 co-accused came to her house and took her 8 months old child in the shop behind her house to purchase something for the child and not return back. Full stop. Thereafter, she searched for said Yogendra. Full stop. However, he along with his wife were absconding along with her child. Full stop. As she could not find her child, she approached the police and lodged the report. Full stop. During investigation, it revealed that co-accused has handed over the said child to one accused. Thereafter, accused Farzana abducted the said child and sold the said child to one Jitendra for consideration of rupees 2,50,000. The alleged transaction has taken place at the house of the applicant. Full stop para. As per contentions of the applicant, his mother Lakshmibai is doing the work of massage to the newly born children. Full stop. Co-accused Sachin met her and brought the child to the house for massage. Full stop. Thereafter, all other accused came there and informed that the said child is to be given for adoption. Full stop. Thereafter, he called one Khobragade, as he was aware that said Khobragade was searching for somebody who will give child in adoption to his daughter. Full stop. As said Sachin represented him that the child is to be given in adoption, he called Khobragade and child was handed over by the co-accused. Full stop. As far as abduction of the child and trafficking are concerned, he is not concerned with the same. Full stop para. Initially, the applicant filed criminal application number 386/2023, which came to be rejected on 3/7/2023. Full stop. Now, this application is filed by the applicant on the ground of delay in trial, and the trial is kept in abeyance as the other co-accused are facing charge under the provisions of the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act 1999. Full stop. In view of section 10 of the MCOC Act, the trial, in which the applicant is an accused in connection with crime number 639/2022 is kept in abeyance. Full stop para. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that as far as involvement of the applicant is concerned, the same is not in human trafficking or kidnapping, full stop, merely because the child was given in adoption in his house, he is implicated as an accused, full stop, since the date of his arrest, that is 11/11/2022, he is behind the bar and other co-accused, namely Sachin, Shweta, are facing another trial, the provisions of MCOC Act are invoked, the present trial is kept in abeyance. Stop.